आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So the question is, AB is a variable line. AB is a variable line sliding between coordinate axes in such a way that A lies on the x-axis and B lies on the y-axis. So first of all, what is a variable line? That means it is changing, right? AB is changing. So it is sliding between coordinate axes. That means x-axis and y-axis, it is sliding. Alright, so it is changing, and we are given that there is a point A that lies on x-axis and there is a point B that lies on y-axis. So let us first of all, let's complete the question. So next it says, if P is a variable point on AB, so we'll be taking a point P on this variable line such that PA is equals to B and PB is equals to A. This B will be capital B, right? And AB is equals to A plus B. So let us find out the equation of the locus of P. So first of all, what is a locus? So locus is a curve or other shape which is made by all the points that satisfy a particular equation, right? So let us start with the solution of this question. So as the question says, the point lies on x-axis is point A, so that means this is point A, and this is point B which lies on y-axis. This is our y-axis and this is our x-axis, right? And next it says there is a point P. So let's take this point P. So it is a variable point, that means it is also changing, and we are given that PA is B. This PA line, it measures B, and this PB line, it measures A. Alright, so and we are given that AB is equals to A plus B. So we need to find out the equation of the locus of P. So first of all, let's take coordinates of P as h comma k. Let P be h comma k. So that means x coordinate of P will be h and y coordinate of P will be k. So that means if we make this line and this line, so it measures as k and this measures as h, and let us take this angle to be theta. Alright, so if this is theta, then this line is also parallel to x-axis. This is parallel line. This line which is joining y-axis and P point, it is also parallel to x-axis. Therefore, this angle will also become theta, right? So I'll tell you that why I have taken this angle, to find out the equation of the locus of P. So how do we do that? Let's see. So since we have point P as h comma k, and we can find out easily h from here, we can easily find out the value of cos theta from this triangle. This is a triangle, this is a small triangle, B, this point and P, right? So this is a triangle. In this triangle we are finding the value of cos theta, so which will be equal to, if this is h, then this is also will be h, this will also be h, so h by a will be cos theta, right? Base upon hypotenuse, so it will be h upon a. If we need to find out the value of sin theta in the same triangle, then it will be k by k by b. So let's make one thing clear. Let us name these triangles so that we should not get confused. So let us take this point as C and this point as O and this point as D, right? So we have find in triangle BCP, we have find out the cos theta, value of cos theta, and in triangle PDA we have find out the value of sin theta. In triangle PDA, sin theta will be equals to k by b. If this is k, then this will also be k. So k by b, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So further we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So what is the value of sin theta here? We have k by b, that means k square upon b square because we have square here, plus cos square theta will be h square upon a square, which is equals to 1, and we have taken k as x coordinate, y coordinate, and h as x coordinate. So we need the equation in the general form only. So here we'll replace h and k with x and y. So here we'll be writing y square upon b square plus x square upon a square is equals to 1, and this is the equation of the locus which we need to find.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।